Hello guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. On today's video I'm going to tell you a little bit about wheels and why when you're doing sketches you shouldn't spend too much time on the wheels first. We'll go into detailing wheels in the future, but detailing a wheel can take just as long as just sketching an entire car. I'm going to teach you some basic wheels that you can put on your preliminary sketches. I'm going to show you with very basic example. I actually took some plates from my kitchen, and what I did is I actually put an orange dot to it, and then on the edge I put a little bit of orange so you can see it. So this is just a bowl, but this is how wheels are, right? Wheels have that concave surface and it has the center, and then the edge of the wheel is sticking a little farther out. So this is a little exaggerated because it's a cereal bowl, but it will tell you the idea. So basically, the center is not always exactly in the center, which is very interesting because if you're standing next to a car right on the side view, exactly aligned with the wheel, then the center will be perfectly centered with the wheel. The thing is, as soon as you start walking towards one side, look how that center moves towards the edge of the wheel. So it's no longer right in the middle, but it looks like it moved to the left. And then look what happens when I go to the other side, right? That dot will move. So the centers of the wheel move. When you're doing a side view, so the dot is perfectly in the middle on each bowl, right? So you have two that are perfectly in the middle. Then if you're looking at the side view, looking straight, perfectly straight at that wheel, then the rear wheel, that dot is gonna move towards the front of it, right? Assuming that the car is going this way to the left. Now, if you're looking like right at the door of the car, on a side view, look how those dots, they're both moving towards the middle of the car, right? And then if you're drawing a 3/4 view, what is going to happen is that both dots are going to move towards the front of the car. And actually, it's a lot of the times on the rear wheel, that dot can even disappear. Like the closer the front one is to the edge, the rear one can even disappear, and that makes it easier when you're drawing wheels. Same thing will happen when you go to the rear wheel. To the rear of the car, the dots are going to move towards the rear of the car. So basically, whichever way you're looking, they're going to move. So that's a very simple explanation with the bowls. It's just the best way I can figure out to explain this to you. So now let's go into paper. So again, on this channel, I cover everything about car design, how to get into car design school, tips about sketching, 3D modeling. I'm gonna do everything that relates to car design. So please make sure you subscribe. It's very important so you know when my next video is coming out. I'm doing videos every Wednesday and every Friday. Wednesday is short video, Friday is a longer video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this. I hope this is something that will help you with your sketching, and just we're building it up little by little. I just don't want to do a full tutorial of a car sketch because I see plenty of those online and it's really hard to follow. So I'm teaching you every basic part that I can, so then I pretty much can draw cars without having to look at a car. And that's the idea with this. Since we're doing design, we have to be able to come up with our own designs without having to be looking at a picture of a car, because sometimes that would influence how your car looks. So if you understand how the wheels behave, how the proportions behave, everything that I'm teaching you, then you're going to be able to pull out your own designs. Hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.